This is my fireworks stash update. I went back to Chinatown and I got 36-inch sparklers. They go to there. I also picked up a one-shot, a one-shot like mortar. It's called Mars Star. Here I got a really nice cake. It's pretty well known. It's called Bunker Bear 16 shot by Window. It is, yeah. And then I got this Avalanche by Window. It's up to or a little bit past 200-gram cake. 16 shot too. And performance is a mini variety of jumping skaters, also with crackling. You get 16 shots of gold willow. And back to Bunker Bear, performance is gold, green, yellow, white tail, breaks the same color palm tree. And then this 7-shot little cake right here, colored pearls with opens into silver shower. Sounds sort of fun. Oh, and here, these are some of my favorites. I picked up 2 double night parachutes. I'm pretty sure they fire off 2 parachutes. But I sort of would, if you're gonna do it, it's better to do it right before night where you still have some light. Don't know why I have this. It's an old mini mortar tube I used to light bottle rockets in. Saturn missile battery, 100 shot. And here, 2 different types of bottle rockets. And a case of triple whistling bottle rockets with report. And here I have 3 1-inch Magnum artillery shells by Boomer. Oh, they're pretty good. And it says the performance right here on the side. I'll open it up for you. There's these little plastic shells. They're really loud when they break because it's not cardboard and it has to break plastic. And here's the tube. So I have 3 of those. And then a window Wonderland fountain. Don't really like fountains, so I only got 1. And then a Boomer Kissing the Dark, 200 gram. It's pretty exciting. Oh. Got that for probably $16, and same as this. And this was like 5. Okay, and getting to the artillery now. I have a Winda artillery shell set. It's not the smallest, it's probably the 2nd smallest I have. At least the cardboard tube's a little harder, but yes, I have that. And then this Boomer one, it's premium artillery shells. This is the little smaller one, and it comes with a flimsy tube, so it's sort of crappy. And I picked all of this up at Chinatown, but this is the better one than this. These are smaller balls and it's tiny, but this is the performance for this one by Boomer, and this is by Winda. Winda usually makes better artillery shells than Boomer. And then a mini bomb mortar kit. This is probably the 2nd biggest one I have at the moment. Oh, my friend picked this up at Las Vegas and gave it to me. This is it, a fairly big, huge, sturdy tube with big mortars. And if you're wondering, this one, I cut all the powder out and filled it up with firecracker powder and made a salute out of it. Yeah, and sorry, there was a mosquito. Let me set the camera down for a minute while I close this piece. Okay. And then last but not least, my friend got this from New York 4 years ago. It's called Artillery Shell by Phantom Fireworks. I know what you guys are saying, Phantom's overpriced, but whatever, I got it for free. This is a really good tube too, but it's the mini bomb one over there is better than this, but these balls are a lot more powerful and bigger. The ball, not the lift charge. It's a bigger break and better break in the sky. You can see I already used some. But it doesn't say the performance of these on the shell, I don't think. Yeah, or in the box, so. Okay, cleared out all of that, so now let's get to the bottom. I got 4, well, let's start with the little stuff. I got 3 teeny small 8-shot Roman candles from Chinatown. Same as most of the stuff here. And then 3 10-ball Roman candles from Chinatown too. As you can see though, they're a little bigger. And then I have 5 same size Roman candles from Chinatown, but these are by Boomer instead of Winda. And then from Chinatown I have a Winda Spy Game. These are pretty big, massive 5-shots. You can tell to the, let me move some of this over, to the size of these Roman candles. They're pretty huge, like, hold on. This is the size difference from this one to those. And if I put it next to each other, see that circle up there? How much bigger it is? Yeah. So I have those. I had a different brand, what looks the same last year. They were really nice, one of my favorites. I'm looking forward to shooting those off. And then these bottle rockets my friend got from New York too. This one I kept regular, and these 2 right here, Wolfpack rockets. And then these 3 over here I changed. One I filled with crackling balls, the other one I filled with artillery shell stars. And then one I just filled with firecrackers, so I want to see what those do. I'll probably be in another video of mine. Probably film most of this in a video. And then, last but not least, I got this at Chinatown. It's called Sky Eagle Assortment Rockets. You have 3 of each. 3 of those ones. 3 of Sky Bloom rockets. 3 of those color rockets, and then willow rockets right here. So you get 3 of each, 4 different variety. You get 12 right here. Those look pretty exciting. They're not as big as the other ones, but I think they'll do better. Okay, already cleared that. Let me just move this crap over. Now let's get to the, oh yeah, up here. The 36-inch sparklers. They're pretty huge. They're really fun. They last a long time. Okay, now let's get to the bottom. This stuff I use either for fun or keep my firecrackers. So sorry. So I recently got this in the mail from Tennessee. It's world-class fireworks. I tried to order Mandarin snaps, you know, like the regular good brand, but they sent me these ones. But then I noticed when I opened her. Hold on, no, let me just. Yeah, when I opened the pouch, you know how the regular Mandarin snaps have writing on them? Let me just get this out of the bag. Yeah, these has writing on it too, and it's almost the same. So, sorry again about the camera. So that's sort of cool. And as you can see, if I open up this case, I have that much left there, and then I open it up, and then I have one last flat of them. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. And then here I have a case of crackling balls. I just took them out of the box, so here they all are. They're just all right there. They're just fun to mess around with. And then here I had a brick of ground blooms, flowers, but then I took the brick apart, so I have all of these individual ones right here. And stack it back up there. I got those from Chinatown. They work better than the ones you buy at like TNT or Phantom and stuff, but yeah. So main reason people go to Chinatown's here. I got this M80 crocodile pipe, 60 piece. By the window, there's 60 M80s in here, as you see around this giant wheel. It's made by window though, but nobody sells them in the States. So, yeah, that's sort of cool. I got that case of M80s, crocodile pipes. And while we're at firecrackers, I might as well, or no, save those for last. I got these bees right here, and then another pack of them. So yeah, that's sort of cool. And then back here, I don't know why, I got a pack of piccolo pleats. I lit one off. They're really annoying. They're like the loudest thing I've heard. Louder than like M1000, I want to say, but it's probably not. But it's still very loud. You could definitely like annoy the crap out of people with those. Then this cheesy little pole pin firework. I got strawberry like balls. I thought they were cherry bombs, but they're not. They spin on the ground and shoot up. So that's sort of cool. And also got disco flashers. This pot full of firecrackers. Different types. The M80 crocodile pipe. And then M88 cracker. Just put those back. Those are just a pile of crap I let off the phone. Put that back there, and then back here I have a tub of jumping jacks. I just grabbed some out of here and light those for fun too. They're actually the original ones. And then back here, just different bags of black powder I used to make some fireworks. And last but not least, here I have the M98 M80 crocodile pipe. Here I actually found this in the artillery shell case. It's called M88 brand cracker. So we have those. This is my friend's grandmother when she died. He found a bunch of these in her garage and he gave it to me. M800 warning explosive. It's pretty old. And then 48 pack of firecrackers. And then 336 piece strip of firecrackers. I sort of opened most of it though and lit some individually. So that's my firecrackers. And this M1000 got from Chinatown. They have M1000, M3000, and M10,000. 10,000 is like a pipe bomb, but you can see the difference. Like, these are the little cheap ones where there's the little firecrackers inside of these, and they use it to trick you. But that compared to this, and this is filled all the way with powder. Like, there's a plug there and a plug there. There's nothing inside of this thing. I lit it off, shattered some of my neighbors' car windows, and let off some car alarms. So probably not gonna use that for a while. But but there you go. This is my firework chest: firecrackers, fountains, parachutes, little novelty stuff. Then my artillery shells, Roman candles, rockets, snaps. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.